the last day of March and the last day of wolf hunting season. So I'm going to try one more last ditch effort to find one and go in the place I haven't been yet to this year. But what a beautiful morning. Look at this sunrise. There's sign from deer and elk. And there's also predators of some sort. That could be wolf. It's a little on the small side. It could be coyote. Look at all the little kind of caves and things. There's lots of places for a den in here, or just for animals to hole up. Pretty up here. I've never been up this draw before. Okay, this is almost certainly old wolf crap. It's full of hair, completely full of hair. It's nothing but now. It's old. But they've been in here. This area looks great for mountain lions. Today is the last day of mountain lion season also. And I do have a tag. I've been kind of halfway thinking maybe I'd run into one of those, but you hardly ever see them. They're really, really elusive. Even about the same as wolves, I guess. I've seen more mountain lions actually. But this crack here in the rock got some droppings in it. To me, those kind of look like those could be bobcat. But wouldn't be at all surprised. There's a lot of places for them to hide up here. Lots of little caves and things, and cliffy and steep. That's the kind of places they like. Pretty spot. I've never been here before. Half the fun of hunting is doing that, going someplace you haven't been. Holy crap, look at this, guys. That's a nice bear. That's a big boy. Too bad season's not open for them. Never found a for sure bear den before. That is really cool. No doubt about that one. Now that was worth the trip right there alone. That is really neat. Wonder how far that hole goes. You know, it's kind of funny. I was wondering coming up here if the bears would be out yet. Guess they're not quite, but they're about to be. I say it's March 31st, 2019. Last day of the wolf and mountain lion season. The bears don't open until April 15th. Wherever he went, he's back in that hole somewhere. Neat. Just up the hill, a few hundred yards from that bear. A lot of grouse up here. I've jumped probably, I don't know, at least 7 or 8. Folks wonder why it is people like to hunt. How many people get to see things like this? That bear was the icing on the cake, but isn't this just amazing? I had half hoped to find an antler up here as well, but so far I haven't had any luck. That bear is in this rock pile right there, the bottom end of it. There was a cave on the other side toward the top. I do want to go and take a look at that on the way back down. Kind of a neat looking spot, but I don't want to disturb that bear. He's kind of finishing up his nap. Well, it's winter's nap, and maybe here another 15 days or so when the season opens I'll come back up and see if he's still around, but I doubt it by then. He was looking like he was ready to leave. So anyway, unless I come across something else interesting, that cave I might take another picture of. But thanks again for watching, and hopefully this spring for bear we'll find another one of those guys. So anyway, thank you, and hope you enjoyed this. That was a real treat getting to see him. I found one other bear den, but the bear wasn't in it. There was tracks leading out of the cave. It was an old mine shaft. Pretty rare to come across something like that. Pretty amazing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.